What's going on, guys? Dave with Raceland. We've got a Mark 7 Golf in the shop today, and we want to make a video for you Mark 7 Golf and GTI owners who are looking for suspension for your vehicle, and hopefully answer some questions for you that will help you in your buying process. Now, our coilovers that we offer for this vehicle are going to work on all 2015 and up models. Now, there are going to be some differences between the Golf and the GTI variants, but we do offer a coilover kit for both. The GTI version also fits with the Golf R models as well. So when you go to the website, you are going to want to make sure that you select the correct coilover kit for your vehicle, whether you have a Golf variant or the GTI. Now, for you GTI and Golf R owners, we do offer not only that classic coilover kit, but we offer an airbag system as well. Now, the airbag system is going to be great for those that are looking to get the max drop and performance and adjustability out of the suspension. This is going to include new rear control arms and also camber plates in the front to get maximum adjustment for that. So keep that in mind. Unfortunately, we don't have an air system for the Golf models yet, but that is something that could be coming in the future. Now, as mentioned before, if you are looking for the coilover kit, this is going to be great for those that are looking to use their vehicle day to day. It is going to be a partially threaded coilover kit. You are going to retain and reuse your factory upper strut mounts for the installation, so keep that in mind. But again, as mentioned before, these are meant for daily driven vehicles, so they are very comfortable to be used day to day. They're not going to be overly soft, not going to be overly stiff like a track setup, but it is something that's going to retain that comfort, but giving you the ability to lower and drop ride height. Now, as mentioned, the top mounts are the only thing that you're going to need to reuse from factory suspension or replace for installation. No other parts are going to be needed. They are going to retain the factory sway bar end links. The factory sway bars have no issues in bolting up to this, so no other parts are going to be needed besides those upper mounts. Now, Volkswagen vehicles are notorious for fitment issues. Now, what we're seeing with the Mark 7s, just based on the design of the suspension, with the factory wheel and tire combination, you don't always need to run a wheel spacer. Now, obviously, if you're running an aftermarket wheel or tire combination that's much wider than the factory setup, you're certainly going to want to make sure that you take proper measurements to ensure whether or not you're going to have enough clearance. Now, we often get asked, how long can I expect coilovers to last on my vehicle? Now, with the Raceland coilovers, we see about the lifespan of a factory or OE suspension. Now, it's important to keep in mind that shocks are a wear item. Eventually, they are going to wear out. But we do cover wear under our warranty as well. And this is going to be a lifetime warranty for the life of the product to the original owner. So if you ever have an issue, whether that be manufacturing defect or you have a shock or a bushing wear out, that is something that's going to be covered and is replaceable under the warranty. Now, along with the warranty, we do offer a satisfaction guarantee. This is going to be from 30 days from date of purchase. And for whatever reason you're not satisfied with your purchase, whether how they look, fit, ride, adjust, whatever it may be, you're not fully satisfied, you can return them within 30 days for a refund. All right, guys, check the link below or on the product page for these specific coilovers. We do have a full installation video of how these goes on. It gives you a great idea of what to expect when you do purchase them. Like and subscribe to our channel. We're going to have more content in the future. And like always, if you have any questions, give us a call, send us an email, and we'll see you on the next one.